to study the solar water heater. That is a system that captures sunlight to heat water, and it can be used at home, and it's an economical way to generate hot water. And the system absorbs light, and it uses collectors that are usually placed on the roof, and they convert water into heat. And then the heat is passed to a water tank by means of a circulating pump. And there is also a thermal regulator that is used to avoid overheating.
Well, the efficiency of the collectors is at its highest at midday in summer, when the sky is cloudless and when the collectors face south. However, the collectors also work well in other seasons when the sky is cloudy, or in a good part of the day, even if they face east or west. There are two types of collectors: the evacuated tube solar collectors or the flat plate collectors. The first type is characterized by a great energy efficiency, and it requires less space, and the surfaces do not have to face south. Moreover, they support high temperatures, and the only disadvantage of this type of system is the cost, because these tubes are more expensive than the flat plate collectors. The flat plate collectors have a low cost purchase, and they have a low cost. Also, they are quite cheap to maintain, and and they are also suitable for low temperature systems. And the disadvantages are that this system has always to face south, and it is not suitable for high temperatures.
If there is insufficient sunlight, it is not a problem, because the water is preheated, and the backup system takes over to bring the water to the required temperature. So this system can therefore be used at a constant temperature throughout the year. So it works even if there isn't the sun. There are many advantages. The first one is that this system is cheaper than classic systems. In addition, solar power is free, in contrast to natural gas and fuel oil, and it is a way to produce hot water for sanitary without emitting any CO2, and it enables substantial energy savings.
We can see that in Italy there is a contribute of the solar water heater energy of around 20%. Instead, in the US, the main goal for 2020 is to use this energy of 20% yeah.